everybody, actually welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today I'm here with another tutorial video. Yep, it's another tutorial video. Let me just block this screen on, and we're doing a how to make a doorbell in Mcpe 0.13.1 alpha. It's now I updated already now. So like this. So this the doorbell. How to make some doorbell. This is the doorbell that I made, and as you can see, you can read it. Hear it. Kinda go and kinda go like you see it. Like so. Let's go and hope you can hear it, guys, but it really works. See? Okay. So all you need for this tutorial is a note block, of course, some redstone, some minecart, some dirt, some detector rail, some powered rail, some button, and some any kind of block that you want to cover to make your butterflies in. So okay. So first you're going to do is you're going to do like a tree like that. And then you're going to put some button. And then on the back, make sure to where the button is. In the middle, go to do that. 2 blocks long. Then you go to put some dirt. And then put the note block. And then you need to go and choose whatever rhythm you like. So this is going to be the first rhythm. So mine is going to be like that. And then when you're finishing your first rhythm, you're going to put some redstone in the first place, and then you're going to put like this and this. It should be like that. Should be like this. And then should going to put another note block in this. Here at the place. And this is going to be the second rhythm, so it's going to be low. Okay. So now, when you're already done your second rhythm, you're going to do leave a second, a 2 space. So you're going to put some block over there. And it should be like this. Make sure to leave a space on the front of the note block in the second note block. So you're going to go and put the redstone over there. Should be like that now. For now, we're going to go and put some power rail, then put some detector rail in the middle and power rail. So like that. And then in this detector rail, you're going to put some redstone on it and connect it to the second rhythm. So it should be like that. Okay. So now the last one is going to you need to go put some minecart over there, and it should be like that, and you're done. That's how it's simple. So you just need to cover it up so it doesn't see like that. I'm gonna cover it up. Gotta skip this. Oops. So now I already covered it up, and then it should be like this. I didn't cover it properly because anyway, so that is how you make your doorbells. So as you can see when we doorbell it. Okay. See this thing now. Okay. Now that's your doorbell. As you can see. There we go. So that's your doorbell. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Share this video to your friends who play some Minecraft. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. 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 Bye.